Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English presentation with me. Topic: Introducing yourself.
Good evening, teacher, and good evening, everyone. My name's Teng Marani. I study English in level beginner with teacher Kung Dan at Asia Euro organization. I'm 18 years old and I'm from Tokyo province. I have 2 sisters and 3 brothers. I study accounting at Asia Euro University. I want to be an accountant in my future because it's a good job. I like working with money in office. I can earn some money also. That's all about me. Thank you.
Good evening, teacher, and good evening, everyone. My name's Kung Odom. I study English in level beginner with teacher Kung Dan at Asia Euro organization. I'm 14 years old and I live in Phnom Penh City. I have 2 sisters and 3 brothers. I study in grade 10 at Chisam Santharmukh High School. I want to study law in my future. That's all about me. Thank you.
Conversation, getting to know each other's.
Hello. How are you today?
Hello. I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm fine too. What's your name?
My name's Teng Marani. And you?
My name's Kung Odom. Where are you from?
I'm from Tokyo province. And you?
I live in Phnom Penh City. How old are you?
I'm 18 years old. And you?
I'm Kung 14. Are you married?
No, I'm not. I'm single. And you?
I'm single too. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have 2 brothers and 2 sisters. And you?
I have 2 sisters and 3 brothers. What do you do?
I'm a student. And you?
I'm a student too. Where do you study?
I study accounting at Asia Euro University. And you?
I study in grade 10 at Chisam Santharmukh High School. What do you want to be in your future? Why?
I want to be an accountant because it's a good job. I like working with money in office and I can earn some money also. What do you want to study in your future?
I want to study law at Law and Economics University. Nice to talk with you. Bye.
Me too. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.